Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today we are making this delicious peanut butter chicken, and these are the seasonings we'll be using. We'll also be adding some nicely chopped onions, tomatoes, and some garlic to build up those beautiful flavors. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just adding some oil onto the pan, and I'll be frying this chicken before I add anything else to it. And for this recipe, I'm using breast chicken, but you can use any chicken parts you like, it will still come out great. Once the chicken gets to this nice and golden brown color, I'm just going to transfer it to the pot, and we are not getting rid of the pan right now. We are going to use it to fry the tomatoes and the onions and get that flavor that the chicken left at the bottom. So now I'm mixing up the liquid chicken broth and peanut butter, and I'm going to add all this to the chicken together with the tomatoes and onions. Okay, so now we are starting to build the flavors. I'm starting by adding the fried tomato and onion to the chicken. Then I'll add the seasonings and the peanut butter and chicken broth mixture, and then I'll let it boil and boil until the soup becomes nice and thick. So this is how the chicken should look when it's ready, and it smells so good, guys. So you need to try this recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.